And we're looking at the wonderful reflector ray here. And it's just same temperature no matter where you go in here. And it looks beautiful, and it is. It feels beautiful. Exactly 1 to 2 degrees, 1 degree different anywhere in here. Area, the woodworking shop at Copperfield. It's got to be 30 feet high. You'll notice right there's a blue burner. And one over there is the fan, and another blue burner over there. There's insulated tubes in these so that you can have a very extremely even heat, because it holds the heat in. Normally it's 1,000 degrees, now it's 600. And then way at that T, it's still 500. Then you go out slow to the outside wall. That way you have the same temperature by that wall as that wood, but it's not hot. We can be 2 feet from wood or combustible. So that's why most radiant heaters, you don't want to put them near wood, it's too hot. Because the insulated tube, it does the job of reducing that temperature. But there it is there, down this way. And then the unique thing here, of course, they've got a beautiful, there's 3 burners on this side and 2 burners on that side. And they have that mezzanine there, eh? And the mezzanine, there's a lot of machinery in here. They make their own heat. So that gives you a convection heat some, but in there are lots of machinery. They say it's warm as toast inside there. But that ray way over there shines like a straight line underneath there. And it don't really matter if it's further away. I've got it in a helicopter shop on one side, 100 feet to the other, and the wall's as warm in one spot as the other. So then if light shines, radiant heat shines. So there's the story up there, your mezzanine. And so there's that door. They open it, can't open it. They've got another burner on the other side, and if they open it up, that burner can't run. So they got that designed. But here, everything is just A1, and we expect this building to look about like this in 100 years or more from now.